Hello, everyone, and welcome back. I'm really happy you're here today. This is a great time to relax, listen, and practice English with us.
Hi, Sarah, and hello to everyone listening. I hope you're having a nice day so far.
Daniel, you look comfortable today. You seem calm and ready to talk.
I feel good. I have a warm drink next to me, and I'm excited about today's topic.
That's great, because today we're talking about something very important in everyday English.
Oh, that sounds interesting. What is it?
Today, we're going to talk about the past. We're going to practice talking about things that already happened.
Like yesterday?
Yes, yesterday, last week, last year, and even long ago when we were children.
Talking about the past is how we tell stories.
Exactly. We tell our friends about our day, our weekend, our memories, and our life.
But many beginners feel nervous about the past.
That's true. Some learners think the past is difficult.
But today, we're going to show that it can be simple and fun.
Very simple. We'll use easy words, short sentences, and real stories. Let's start with very easy time words.
Where you can direct a voice, create realistic dialogue, and so much more. Edit these placeholders to get started.
When we talk about the past, we often use words like yesterday, last night, last week, or last year.
So I can say, yesterday I was tired.
Yes, that's perfect.
I was is the past of I am.
Exactly. Very good.
That already feels easy.
Good. Now I want to ask you a question.
Okay, I'm ready.
What did you do yesterday?
Yesterday. Let me think. Yesterday was a busy day.
Busy days are very common.
In the morning, I woke up early.
What time did you wake up?
I woke up at 7.
That's early for some people.
Yes. After I woke up, I made breakfast.
What did you eat?
I ate eggs and bread. And I drank coffee.
Great. Listen to those past words. Woke up, made, ate, drank.
Yes, they sound different, but they are easy with practice.
What did you do after breakfast?
After breakfast, I went outside.
Where did you go?
I went to the park near my house.
How was the weather?
It was sunny and warm.
That sounds nice.
I walked in the park for about 30 minutes.
Did you see anything interesting?
Yes, I saw many trees, some flowers, and a few dogs.
Dogs make everything better.
They really do.
What did you do after the park?
After that, I went to the store.
What did you buy?
I bought fruit and milk.
Very practical.
Then I went home and cleaned my room.
That's a productive day.
Yes, I felt good after that.
Let's pause for a moment and look at the words you used.
Okay.
You said walked, cleaned, stayed, and watched.
Yes.
These are regular past verbs.
That means we add ed, right?
Exactly. Walk becomes walked. Clean becomes cleaned.
That's easy to remember.
Yes, many verbs work like this.
That makes the past less scary.
But not all verbs are the same.
I know, some verbs change.
Yes, these are called irregular verbs.
Like go and eat.
Exactly. Go becomes went, eat becomes ate.
So I can't say I go to the park yesterday.
Right. You say, I went to the park yesterday.
That sounds better.
With time and practice, these words feel natural.
Talking about yesterday is nice.
Yes, but talking about childhood is special.
I agree.
Let me ask you something.
Okay.
Where did you live when you were a child?
When I was a child, I lived in a small town.
What was it like?
It was quiet and peaceful.
Did you live in a house or an apartment?
I lived in a house with my family.
Did you have a garden?
Yes, we have a small garden.
What did you do there?
I played outside every day. I ran, climbed trees, and played games with my friends.
That sounds fun.
It was. Life felt simple.
What was your favorite toy?
My favorite toy was a small red car.
Did you play with it a lot?
Yes, I played with it every day.
I lived in a city when I was a child.
Did you like city life?
Yes, but it was different. I didn't have a garden.
So where did you play?
I went to the park with my parents.
What did you do there?
I rode my bike and flew a kite.
That sounds nice.
It's a happy memory for me.
Memories really are like pictures in our minds.
Let's talk about vacations now.
I love vacation stories.
Where did you go on your last vacation?
Last year, I went to the beach.
Who did you go with?
I went with my friends.
How was the ocean?
The water was cold, but the weather was hot.
Did you swim?
Yes, we swam every day.
Did you take photos?
Yes, I took many photos.
Photos help us remember moments. Now, let's talk about something important.
What is it?
Sometimes we want to say that something did not happen.
Oh, like didn't.
Exactly. For example, I didn't work yesterday.
Or I didn't eat breakfast.
Yes, didn't is very useful.
It helps us speak honestly.
Let's give our listeners some easy practice ideas.
That's a great idea.
First, you can write a short diary.
Just 2 or 3 sentences.
Yes, for example, today was good. I went to the store. I bought fruit.
Simple and helpful.
Second, you can speak to yourself.
The mirror is a great listener.
It never interrupts.
That's true.
Third, listen to music or watch movies.
Then try to tell the story in your own words.
When you talk about the past, mistakes are okay.
People will understand you.
Communication is more important than perfection.
Yes. Speak first, improve later.
Let's quickly review.
We use words like yesterday and last week.
We add ed to many verbs.
We use special verbs for some, like went and ate.
We use didn't for negatives.
And most importantly, stories connect us.
Thank you so much for listening today.
We hope you enjoyed talking about the past with us.
Now it's your turn.
Tell us what you did yesterday or share a childhood memory.
Write in simple English. Don't worry about mistakes.
Keep practicing.
And keep learning.
Bye for now.
Bye for now.